Friends, I am Sopan Suresh. I welcome back to on my Be Cognizant YouTube channel. Friends, if you come for first time on my Be Cognizant YouTube channel, then subscribe to my Be Cognizant YouTube channel for watching such type of more and more programs of Be Cognizant YouTube channel. Friends, handle of my Be Cognizant YouTube channel is becognizant@8094. You can subscribe to my Be Cognizant YouTube channel by making use of this handle. Friends, in this session I am going to share you very special information. Friends, I am very excited to tell you that YouTube has started to deposit money by the name of Be Cognizant YouTube channel @8094. Friends, my journey of YouTube is very long, but ultimately I could manage to succeed my channel. Friends, I had a desire to have a YouTube channel, so I created YouTube channel and I named it Be Cognizant YouTube channel. Then YouTube gave me handle of my YouTube channel as becognizant@8094. Then I started to create motivational content and started to upload motivational content on my YouTube channel. Then people started to like and share my YouTube channel. Friends, I have been becoming successful on YouTube channel because of your support. So I give full credit of my success to all of you. Friends, thanks for giving such a nice response to my channel. Today my channel has started to earn money on YouTube channel. So friends, once again I give my thanks to all of you for supporting to my channel. Friends, I often try to tell you that if you have confidence, interest and mastery on particular subject, then open your own channel and try to teach that particular subject to the people on YouTube, which is globally working. If you have confidence and a good command on particular subject, then why are you working on small place? YouTube is giving a big opportunity, then why are you not making use of that opportunity? This is one of the biggest achievement of my channel. YouTube is not a platform to earn money. Also it can give you money, but not only money, but also you can create your own identity all over world. If you have mastery in particular subject, then why are you working at small place within short salary? Why don't you come on YouTube and why don't you teach your particular subject to the people all over world? YouTube is giving a big opportunity and you are not making use of that opportunity. Try to make use of that opportunity. Come on YouTube. If you are a YouTuber and want to check your earning on YouTube channel, then I can teach you how to check that details. First of all, you have to copy the link of your channel. Then you have to install the application. The name of the application is YTools app. Then you have to paste that link into that app. Then automatically you will get details of your channel in front of you on your mobile. Now let us check our earning details. Now I have copied the link of my channel and now I am pasting it in YTools app. Then look, my earning details is opened before you. I have 539 subscribers. I have 539 subscriber has connected to our Be Cognizant YouTube channel, and we have uploaded 243 videos, and YouTube has deposited $124 to our channel. And The average earning of our channel is $1 per video. Friends, in this way you can check your earning details by making use of Vitals app. And friends, there is no need to complete the criteria of 1000 subscriber and watch time. Now YouTube has been starting to deposit money to our channels. So friends, don't worry about subscriber and watch times. Just work on your take hard work on your channel. You can start to earn money, and you can also start to create your own identity on the platform of YouTube, which is globally working. So friends, in this way, let me stop here. I hope you might have really liked today's uh, program. You convey your remarks. Do like, share, and comment on big program of Be Cognizant YouTube channel. See you soon in next program. Till then, bye bye. Thanks for watching this program. Like, comment, share, subscribe.